Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Escape to paradise at Industry Cove, Hanover. In this stunning 4-bed, 5-bath estate, perfectly positioned on a generous 1-acre lot with breathtaking ocean views, along with floor space of 4,000 square feet. Included in this is a self contained 2-bedroom property with ready income potential, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Located just 20 minutes from Negril's famous 7 Mile Beach, this estate offers the perfect blend of seclusion and accessibility. Enjoy panoramic ocean views from the main living areas, perfect for taking in the sunset while intimately positioned for maximum privacy, yet close to the highway for easy access. There is an on location pizzeria, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying a delicious meal, along with a gym and a gazebo, perfect for outdoor events, picture shoots, or simply enjoying the surroundings. Also on the property is a standby generator, ensuring uninterrupted power supply. Perfect for families seeking a luxurious and spacious home with endless amenities. Investors looking for a property with income generating potential, and those seeking a serene and private retreat with ocean views and plenty of space for outdoor living. Make this stunning property yours today and start living the island life. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.5 million, Jamaican 236.6 million, Canadian 2.14 million, Euro 1.37 million, or 1.16 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.